Hello students, today we are going to discuss your worksheet number 70, class 10 science for the date 21st December. In today's worksheet, we are going to start a new lesson, that is our environment. So firstly, the definition of ecosystem, the entire interaction of organisms in an area together with the non-living constant of the environment forms ecosystem. किसी भी एरिया के अंदर जो पूरे ऑर्गेनिजम्स और नॉन लिविंग इन्वायरमेंट के बीच में जो इंटरेक्शन होती है उसको इकोसिस्टम कहा जाता है. देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ इकोसिस्टम. फर्स्ट इज नेचुरल इकोसिस्टम, द इकोसिस्टम विच एग्जिस्ट इन नेचर लाइक लेक, पोंड, फॉरेस्ट, जिसको हमने नहीं बनाया, अपने आप हैं, और उसको नेचुरल कहा जाता है. आर्टिफिशियल और यू कैन से मैन मेड इकोसिस्टम्स आर क्रॉप फील्ड्स, एक्वेरियम, गार्डन, जो ह्यूमन बीइंग ने बनाए हैं. So various components of ecosystem are abiotic components, air, water, land, biotic, plants and animals. So these biotic components can be classified into producer, consumer and decomposers, and these consumers can be classified into herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, parasites, etc. So when we talk of biotic and abiotic components, all the non-living components such as air, water, land, light, temperature, etc. are abiotic, while the all living components such as plants, animals, bacteria, fungus, all comes to the biotic components. Based on the nutrition, biotic components are further divided into producer, consumer, herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, parasite and decomposers. Producers, all the green plants, blue-green algae which can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis are called producers. Now these consumers include all the animals which are dependent on plants directly or indirectly for their food, like herbivorous, plant eating, carnivorous, flesh eating, omnivorous, both, and parasites which lives on the body of the host to take food in it, like lice, cuscata, etc. Decomposers includes organisms which decompose dead plants and animals like bacteria which help in the replenishment of the natural resources. मतलब natural resources को वापस अर्थ के अंदर पहुंचाने में मदद करते हैं. Next is food chain. It is a series of organisms in which one organism eats another, like grass, deer and lion. This is the simplest three-step food chain. A food chain, various steps where transfer of energy takes place is called trophic levels, and these are said to be the trophic levels where the transfer of energy is taking place. Flow of energy between trophic levels is unidirectional. That means going from here to the upside. Green plants capture 1% of the total sunlight which is coming on the earth, that is converted to food. Then there is a 10% low, as on each trophic level only the 10% energy is transferred to the next level, 90% is used in different life processes, and due to gradual decrease in energy, food chain contains 3 to 4 trophic levels. The less number of trophic levels, higher will be the energy at the last trophic level. As the number of trophic level increases, less energy will reach at the last trophic level. Next is biological magnification. It is the concentration of harmful chemical increases with every next trophic level in food chain, and this is called biological magnification. जितने ज़्यादा ट्रॉपिक लेवल होंगे तो उसके अंदर सबसे लास्ट वाला जो ट्रॉपिक लेवल होगा उसके ऊपर कोई भी जो हार्मफुल केमिकल है वो सबसे ज़्यादा पहुंचेगा. Maximum concentration is found in human as they are the top of the food chains. Now let's see question answers. Only 2 question answers are there. First, if 20,000 joules energy is at producer level, what is the amount of energy transferred to the secondary consumer? So as per 10% law, producer level is 20,000, primary consumer 10%, only 2,000 joules, and secondary only 200 joules. Next is draw food chain of pond and forest. So pond food chain, you can see producers are phytoplankton, these are known as primary consumer, then zooplanktons, secondary consumer, small fishes, and last is humans. So you can say it is a 4-step food chain. Forest food chain, grass, deer and tiger, this is a 3-step food chain. So this completes your worksheet. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe the channel. Thank you.